Welcome to Iceland, the land of fire and ice. Join us as we explore this beautiful and breathtaking country. It is truly an otherworldly place. Alrighty, everybody, welcome. The goal for today here in Iceland is Thingvellir National Park. I hope I'm saying that right. There's a few geysers there, a few waterfalls, and we'll get to all that later. But right now, it's breakfast time. We got Chef Max over here making some eggs and bacon, and then we'll be on our way. But the weather, it's rainy, like it's supposed to be, but gotta make the most of it. Watch where you toss the bacon, sir.
Hey, I made it onto it.
But yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. Here comes Jason.
And we're off to make food. Well, I'm off to make food. Jamie's off to harass me while I make the food. And Jason's just here so he won't get fined.
Alrighty, we are headed to Thingvellir National Park. Breakfast was good. Thank you, Max.
Jason.
Oh,
You forgot about me.
and Jason, buddy. But there's waterfalls and geysers and mountains and some other Icelandic things.
Icelandic thing.
There's things at Thingvellir, you know.
That's a technical term.
Yeah. So we have about an hour and a half drive, so here we go. Well, we stopped real quick because there's a big lake. The pronunciation it's thing of a yeah, something like that. Thing of a something lake. It's pretty cool. We're heading towards the geyser.
Isn't this the island's biggest lake? Pretty sure it is.
Okay, Max,
What?
thoughts on the lake?
Lake's pretty cool. I think the picture of the sloth thing is pretty cool. Shout out my mom.
Yeah. It's cold still. It's raining some, but
It's 3 degrees, Jamie. It's not that cold.
It's 3 degrees. Celsius. So we're in Europe. Back to the van, and the journey continues. Let's go. So, on our journey, we could potentially see some sheep. They have sheep just here, just out in the wild. Our goal is to not run them over. They tend to like pack up in the road. Not pack. If they're like a herd.
It's a herd.
Okay.
They like to herd.
Yeah.
Like you herd the sheep.
They don't flock up.
Flocka.
But there's signs everywhere saying, "Beware of the sheep." That's how it's
Flock of sheep.
what they say, because it's in Icelandic, and we can't read that, sadly.
You can with Google Translate.
Okay. first stop here in Thingvellir is Waterfalls. It's a waterfall, so it's up over there. You can probably hear some of it. We got all the glaciers over there, big mountains. Pretty cool stuff. The spew, yeah. Well, we're at the waterfall. Pretty cool. This landscape is dope. That's my only words. Whoop. What'd you do to me?
No, I didn't do anything. He was pointing something out that was cool. He liked that rock up there. Why do you look like you're always doing the Irish jig?
That's my little, like, walk now. Alright, well, we were walking back to the car. Then we think we found another waterfall. So we're gonna walk that way and we'll let you know what we find, because we're hoping for one. But yeah. This is crazy. Not as big as a waterfall, but a waterfall nonetheless.
Don't make it rain.
No money. Can't throw any money. People did though. You see all the little shiny things.
What a bunch of bad seeds.
Yeah. Nice.
Bear with me.
Photo time, everybody. It's photo time.
Where'd the camera go? Stand up 2 seconds.
This landscape is nuts. Unlike anything back in America.
Wow.
Going back to the car now. Gotta keep moving. There's so much to see out here. Here's the bottom view of this little waterfall. This place is crazy. In case you didn't know, no underwater photography.
It's directed to you because you're the one that likes to break the rules.
True. Very true. We made it to Geyser, which is a geyser. It's over there somewhere. There's a restaurant in this building. We might get lunch, we might not, I don't know. I need lunch soon, but the weather cleared up a lot, as you can tell. Looks pretty nice out for what it could be. And then so we're gonna go hopefully see a geyser bust. Yes. Well, we got a little bit of a walk to get to the geyser. through the woods and whatnot. Huh? But the hot spring, I mean, there's like some like over that way to the right, but I don't really know what we're gonna see. So get ready.
Walk down that way now. Yeah, just do that. Maybe. I mean, Jason, tell the people he got us lost again.
He always gets us lost. That man's in a hurry.
It's kind of windy right here.
The wind is intense. So the geysers down there. We didn't know that. So we walked up this hill. So now we're on this hill. Oops. There's a hole in that one.
Snorkel viewer, go find out where it goes.
Good. The sulfur makes it smell like eggs. It smells really bad. But a lot of the drinking water in Iceland is like from these kind of things, so it all kind of smells like sulfur. But it's safe to drink, you know, so it is what it is. But you don't even have to buy bottles of water here. You just like refill on everything like at the tap, because everything is super good to use. So that's pretty cool. Walking up on the geyser, the geyser, that's like the big thing here. It keeps going off every like so many minutes, and hopefully I'll get it on film for you. We'll see. Gotta find a spot first. Wow.
Little note to the viewers out there. Jamie did not show you the right geyser.
Oh.
He showed you the little one.
The other one doesn't even bust.
What's the bigger one?
The bigger one is now dormant, and Jamie didn't realize that until Jason and I went over to that one and told him, because he didn't want to go over to it because it was lame.
We're getting lunch inside the geyser. What's the place called?
Geyser restaurant.
The Geyser Center. That's what I'm gonna call it.
Visitor center.
I got an Icelandic Sprite. Words I don't know. Jason got an Oinstock Icelandic toasted porter. It's pretty good actually, and I don't like the beer, so Max got a Coke. America. But we all got some pizzas, like Americans would. But yeah, don't know what the plan is after this, so we'll see what happens. We're gonna eat though. We need fuel. Pizza.
I don't have mine yet.
It's a little soggy, like it's like,
Wow.
but good stuff.
Out of 10.
6.5.
That's very nice. Back again for another pizza review. It's a little floppy guy. Not a fan. I like a crunchy pizza.
How you doing over there, bud? You still got it.
Top.
Hanging out your mouth.
It's a little hot. It's a little soggy. There's not a lot of sauce on it, to be blatantly honest. Which kind of I don't like. It's not crispy. I'll give it like a 4-3.
Dang.
It's goofy. For those of you that don't understand that, I don't think Jamie told you. He said Goofy was a cow when we were in Colorado, which was completely wrong. Goofy is a dog. Sometimes I don't get him and what he says, but we love him, even though he does say some stupid stuff.
Alrighty, we have arrived, done lunch and all those shenanigans that go with lunch. We went shopping for some stuff, got some shirts. Now we're at the mighty Gullfoss. Gullfoss is a big waterfall. It's very powerful looking. It's gonna be freaking sick, bro. Look at these freaking things, bro. Jesus. Off-road and buses.
Wow.
The mountains are freaking beautiful.
Gotta get my wet jacket.
We're gonna go take a closer look at it. You can walk all the way down there, so that's what we're gonna do. It's gonna be cold and wet. Anyway, so if you ever watched the Netflix show,
I just like that one.
Down to Earth with
I just like that one. I just like that one.
Zac Efron, he was here. He's actually like right down here. So I'm gonna go stand where Zach stood. So that's the goal, and then walk down to the falls because it's gonna be sick. So yeah. This is about the spot where Zac Efron was. Right about up here. Holy crap. Get this in the view, bro. Yeah. I love the rocks.
That's what I was trying to.
It's probably going to be loud down there by the falls, so I'll say what I'm going to say here. This is one of the most touristy things to come see here in Iceland. I believe we're still in Thingvellir National Park. I don't know exactly how big it is, but the falls are really cool. They look very powerful, and they're just really cool to sit and listen to. So that's going to be the goal for the next little bit here. I can't wait, and I'll get a lot of film. So here we go. By far the strongest waterfall I've ever seen, and probably the best one that I think I've seen, because I've seen a few. Was in Canada a few weeks ago and saw one of them, one of the taller ones there, and This is just so much better.
We should go back and look at our people.
No. That is too strong. One, two, three. There we go. Alright, fix my head. Woo. I'm higher than ever.
Is he fat?
Very. Bro, I'm only 200 pounds. Hold on. Look at me. You look fine.
Oh, I'm trying to end it.
Let me see it. Look at the view from up here. The weather's so much better up here. One final look of Gullfoss, which translates to the Golden Falls. Why it's called that, I don't know.
Got a little cold when you get to it.
Yeah, somewhat. But it was really cool. Very awesome spot.
Back to attacking the sea.
Look at him go. Majestic. I've never seen him like active like that.
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, we're at the campsite. We have a crazy sunset going. Well, not super wild yet, but the mountains are unplugging us in to the thingamajiggy, the power, so we can have heat and not freeze overnight, which is always great.
That's a lot better than you did yesterday.
It was. I didn't know what I was doing yesterday. Then
I did this part yesterday.
do the camera work, man.
I did this part yesterday.
Let me do the work. Am I stupid?
Yes.
Am I?
Yes.
Am I really?
Yes.
Why am I stupid? What's happening?
This goes over that.
Yes, I'm aware of that. There we go. Power.
Don't hire Jamie to do your electrical work. Shoddy work at best. Alright everyone, tonight, dinner number 2, we're going to be having some tortellini, some sauce, got the pot on here, getting ready to boil, got my utensils ready, got my thing for the sauce, our little tiny bowls, our forks. So yeah, getting dinner ready. They're in the shower right now before it gets too crowded because people are starting to roll in here. So just big chilling. So yeah, here's the view for the night. The geysers are over there. Probably see it steaming. Sunset will be over there. So yeah, see what becomes of it.
Alrighty, still waiting on Max to make some food wherever they are. They're in the van. We're eating some tortellinis, I think. Showered, my hair is wet and cold, but just sitting outside because the view. The campground is up near the geyser, which is right over here. I think Max showed you that. But got our little table, seats, and I'm just taking in the view. That's the plan for the rest of the night till I get too cold. Then we'll sit inside and then wake up to hopefully a beautiful sunset, sunrise, and no rain tomorrow. Don't really know what the plan is tomorrow. I know we have a bread thing, which you'll see. That'll be a good time. I hope. There's Max.
Hello.
How's food going?
It's going good.
Yeah.
Can I use your help for a second?
Yes. I'll be back. Okay, where was I? What? Yeah. We're eating out here, I think. The golden circle is pretty much what we just went through today, which is basically like the most touristy part of Iceland. It's like Reykjavik, Thingvellir National Park, which I'm still hoping that I'm saying that right, and then the geyser and the falls that we saw. Starting about tomorrow afternoon, we're going to be heading out and starting our drive on the ring road, which is basically just a big circle around the whole island. Should take us maybe 5 to 7 days, which we leave in 8 days or 9 days now. But we're gonna start heading to the southeast, and there's glaciers and black sand beaches, and just a lot of cool scenery that I've never seen, so I'm excited. I'm sure they are the same way, but so far Iceland has been a neat experience because it's nothing like back home. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat some food and hang out and just chill till tomorrow morning. So we'll see what happens.
I like you.
Dinner is served, everybody.
Good.
Got some tortellinis and pasta. No, don't eat mine. I can't talk. We're cold though, but dinner is served. Hey, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Chef Max over here. Give him a bow. So, we found a bouncy thing. I'm gonna do some flips. Let's go. Oh God. Okay, I'm satisfied. All right, everybody. The last like hour and a half we spent trying to look up the forecast for the northern lights. That was a failure, unless they happen overnight somehow. That'd be cool, but it's late. We're going to bed. We're tired. We had a long, eventful day. At least I'd say so. We all had fun. And tomorrow is another bigger day. We're starting to travel down south some, and yeah, we're gonna go to bed, so stay tuned for more. And we got yeah, peace out, everybody.